Hello students, and you are watching Quick English by Neil Sir. In this class you will learn what is the past perfect tense and how to use the tense in English. This is a story form learning video. Let's understand the definition of the past perfect tense. The past perfect tense describes a completed action in the past. It is used to show that an action was completed before another action took place. This is a past perfect story on the champions. Last month, my volleyball association had organized a volleyball tournament. They had invited 2 guest teams along with the other regular ones. They were the same teams who had participated in the previous season. All the teams had practiced very hard to win the golden trophy. Among them was my team, which had taken part in the tournament. We had put great efforts to build a team stronger than the older one. In the previous season, we had come in the runners-up position. This time around, we had decided to win the trophy. We had waited eagerly for the matches to start. Unfortunately, the tournament had not begun on time due to some technical fault. The electricity had gone off the entire night before, and there was a shortage of power supply. The organizers had tried their level best to get back the power supply in order to get the matches started. Even after they had put in all their efforts, the tournament had begun a couple of hours behind schedule. The organizers had planned the tournament for a week. We had put our best efforts, and once again my team had reached the finals. We had faced the same team which had won the previous season. Now it was the time to show them that we are the best. This time we had played like a team with only one motive: we are the champions. And we had shown all that if you want to win, you have to work as a team. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more English stories. Till then, keep learning.